guys, it's Shyanne again. Today I am going to be singing Hell on Heels by Pistol Annie because this is the first time in a while that I've been home alone, and I hope you guys like my video this time. Okay, so I'm hell on heels, say what you will. I done made the devil a deal. He made me pretty, he made me smart, and I'm gonna break me a million hearts. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you. This diamond ring on my hand, the only good thing that came from that man. Got a GTO from one named Joe and a big piece of land down in Mexico. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you. I got a pink guitar, leaking down car from old what's-his-name. We met at a bar, got a high-rise clam in Hollywood from a married man. Wasn't up to no good, I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you. Then there's Jim, I almost forgot. I ran him off that I took the yacht. Poor old Billy, bless his heart, I'm still using his credit card. I'm hell on heels, sugar daddy, I'm coming for you. I'm hell on heels, say what you will. I done made the devil a deal. He made me pretty, he made me smart, and I'm gonna break me a million hearts. I'm hell on heels, sugar daddy, I'm coming for you. Okay, well, that was me singing Hell on Heels by Pistol Annie. Please make sure to like, comment what you felt about this video, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, and I'll be making new videos really soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!